Hello YouTube, Bob Bibb here with a confession. I've been buying, not showing. And this is some of the coins I've been buying. Let's focus about it. Oh, whoops. We've got the half-ounce mouse. Well, you know how it looks like. We got the 1 ounce. We got the 1 ounce ox. Of course, we got the goat, a half ounce, 1, 2, 3, actually I have 4, I'm making a set in a box, so 4 1 ounces and a 2 ounce, there it is. And what else? Well, we got a tuna, fucking hell. Well, you know how it is. And of course, Starving Liberty, I've got 2 more coming. Making 3 sets. And, well, that's my confession. But, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? An unboxing! How nice is that? I'm gonna cut this open and you'll see what's in it. I'll be right back. Hey YouTube, just before the unboxing, just show you how I save some money for buying silver. Of course, my garden, I grow my own vegetables. Over here we have the chickens. And right there is the garlic for this year's season. Well, back to the unboxing.